Merging two accounts. In this video, I'm going to take you through merging two accounts in your subledger module. So let's open that right now, clicking on the subledger module. And going up into our toolbar, we select all just to view everything inside. So let's say, for example, we want to merge two banks that we have created that are actually the same. So right here we have Bank RBC US dollars. We also have Royal Bank RBC US dollars. So for example, one was just created through mistake and just slightly named differently to the other one. And so now it just makes sense to join these together so you have one account for all the transactions for RBC US dollars. Now, say the Bank RBC US dollars was actually created, but there was no transactions in here. So this was actually zero. It was actually blank. You wouldn't actually need to merge these two accounts because no transactions have actually occurred. The easiest way to get rid of this would be to just simply click on it and then delete it. And then you'll then be left with your one Royal Bank RBC account. But for this example, we actually have two Royal Bank accounts, US dollars, that actually have transactions in them right here. So we need to merge these together. How do we do that? First of all, we need to actually delete the account of the one that we want to merge into. So this is the one that we want to actually keep in the end. So we need to delete this by going up to our toolbar and selecting delete. Are you sure? Yes. Now we go up to our toolbar, click on all, and we'll see that that has actually been deleted. Now don't worry, none of the transactions have actually been deleted. It's actually just simply the name. So now what the next step is, we need to rename this account to the one that we wanted to merge it to in the beginning. So by selecting this, we then go up to edit on our toolbar and we need to rename this. So we go to the rename button and we remember what the account was that we originally wanted to merge with, which was Royal Bank RBC US dollars. Click OK. It's confirming this is what we want to do, yes. And then we go up to all. And you'll notice that Royal Bank RBC has now been merged and you've got both transactions being merged together in there. So everything before that was called Royal Bank RBC was not actually deleted and now has merged into the account that you've now renamed to the same name that you wanted to merge it into. So Royal Bank RBC US dollars was what you wanted to merge, and now that has been completed.